welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be prepping for this hairstyle by blowing out my hair. In my spray bottle, I have half aloe and half water. You don't need a large volume if you're not going to use it, so save your aloe juice. Here's a quick length check. My hair was dried overnight unintentionally. Lazy natural. But I must say that this did make blow drying easy.
So even though the hair looked wet, it's really just damp once you work it in. At this point, not sure which one I'll use. I'm gonna try it out on two different pieces. Heat protecting. Spray it. So for this one, I sprayed some of this already in it. I wanted to show you. I don't know if you can see it, but look, it's like sparkling. Anyway, rub that in. Brush it out, and then I'm gonna blow dry it on low heat first. Make sure it's detangled. You'll see why. To high heat.
But I know you see that length though. Come on now, somebody. Come on. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through this process one more time. So we're just going to go ahead and finger detangle. Then we're going to add some water. Spray it down, get it damp. Then you're going to work that water in. Like I said, you want your hair to kind of soak it in, get it damp. I needed a little bit more water. Then I like to go through it with my fingers and kind of smooth it out, make sure that the tangles are not too much before going in with my brush. Now after I brushed it, I went in with my heat protectant spray and sprayed it down. Now you can do your brushing before or after. I ended up doing both and then brushing that through after the heat protectant spray was in my hair. Then I went in with my blow dryer on low heat and blowed it until it was almost fully dry. Once it was almost dry, I blasted it with high heat so that way it would straighten it out. It was hot.
Then I'm just going to put those sections together and blow them out together. I did thoroughly moisturize my hair before doing this process. I know normally people don't moisturize it, and I usually don't either, but this time I decided to. One other thing I can say is, completely forgot what I was going to say. One other thing I can say is I didn't go up to the root that much with the blow dryer, but that's because my parts are not straight and I know it's gonna pull from the ones above, and in order to prevent added breakage, I chose not to do that. So I'm gonna part it and then go through the roots after.
So I did the low heat for this section off camera. So what you're seeing is me starting with high, which is the reason for it burning my hand right now. So I went ahead and switched it to low. So that I can smooth it out a little bit more. And then I switched it to high, so it would straighten it out. So now I'm just going to blow dry this whole section together. Right after I get rid of this tangle. So I lost the footage in between, but here are my final results. A little quick length check. Ow.
Say bye-bye.